Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel, or if you are new, hi, my name is Anna and I hope you are doing very well today. In this video I will show you the Celine ankle boots, very chunky boots that I was thinking about then since last winter, but because I haven't got any so chunky boots, I just realized I will pop into the store and I will try it. So I did it and I'm glad I did it. If you don't even want to carry this huge bag when you are going in your public transport, the service is so good from Celine. They will send you to the home. If you really need it, it's even available 2 hours slot without any additional charge to this purchase. This is the box that is 37 and a half. I am normally wearing 38. That I went half of the size down. That they are bulky boots with back zip. Is the silver on the back, very easy to style. Oh, it's not visible logo. It's 4.5 centimeters, 1.8 inch. It's rounded toe shape. You will see that leather flap covering this metal zip at the back of the shoes is the Triumph signature, like I mentioned. The price is 930 at the moment, and it was the same price last year when I was looking for them. That is really chunky, but they are not heavy. I can guarantee they are not heavy, but like I will return them because what I found the issue, they have very narrow here, this area around above the ankle area, and my leg is not really, like I would say, wide, is much more normal, but I found it here. Then when I was trying to style them, I couldn't zip completely. When the person is much more taller, it's the proportion is different for this, but it's very soft leather and you can wear them on the daily basis and you can style them. I thought about the trousers to style them, and they look great, especially with the coated jeans black. I will show you 3 stylings, 3 or 4 that you see, but like I said, they are definitely, I'm happy that I tried them properly, not like keeping them in the box. This is very important because I found it first time buying them from the boutique. You cannot return it for a refund, only for the credit notes or for only exchange. That is for me, like I have to exchange for the different kind of shoes or any items, or keeping the credit note. It's easy to style if you're looking for not lace chunky ankle boots. They will be perfect if you don't have, like me, on this area they making muffin. I will show you the photo now. You will see what I'm talking about. But apart from that, they are so beautiful. Like I said, if this is your personal style, I would really recommend, because of the very classic and the zip on the back that I like it. I haven't wear them because, like I said, I try only in the boutique store. That was quick. I was only styling to see how I can style them with the trousers, and I'm glad I did it because I haven't seen in store that they're making my calf muffin feel like it's cutting my leg, and the proportion not good for me. That is a good experience, maybe not good because I stuck with credit notes or I have to buy something from the store, but this is very good information for you. Thank you very much for watching. Have a lovely day and see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.